When naming an organism, scientists use what's called binomial nomenclature, essentially a two-part name that is their scientific name. Every organism is identified by two Latin words, their genus and their species, which double as their scientific name. There are a few rules when naming an organism and using the genus and species name. First, both the genus and species names are written in italics. Notice we had our genus and species name in our example written in italics. If you are handwriting, you can't italicize properly, so instead you would underline. Next, you may have noticed that the genus name was capitalized in our wolf example, so always capitalize the first letter of the genus to distinguish it from the species. The species name, on the other hand, is always lowercase. That way you can pick out which name is the genus or the more specific species. Here's an example. Felis domesticus is the scientific name for a common cat. Felis, notice it's capitalized, is the genus name, kind of like the family name. Domesticus is the more specific species name, kind of like your first name. Felis and domesticus are both italicized Latin words.